Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're going to the Direction Jewelers, I don't know how to pronounce it, downtown Birmingham for the exotic cars and coffee. We're taking the four-door white Lambo out and about this beautiful Sunday morning. Is it Sunday? It is Sunday. Oh my gosh, we're going to a concert on Sunday. We're going to Post Malone's concert tonight in downtown Detroit. I cannot wait. That's for later. We're gonna see what cars are out and about. The sun's peeking out, so it's gonna be a beautiful day. Can't wait to see this. This event's always fun. Unfortunately, I was out of town the last month they did it, so this is the first one of the season that I'm attending, so I can't wait. Let's do it. I'll catch you there. Oh, clean blue on HREs. That's awesome.
That's a good client. You were like,
ooh, 911 ST. That thing is gorgeous. I love what they did with this facelift refresh on the 911. And Justin's car is alive. Fresh off the new tune with the turbo whistle now. It sounds crazy. Oh, that's nice. I love that color. I see that R8 here all the time.
really? You see this GT? Exposed
Dude.
car.
Straight back.
Is it?
Yeah.
Stop. Go forward.
I gotta imagine that car's not easy to feather the throttle on and park like that.
Not the A12 GTS. Satin paint, too. That's crazy. Jeez. Hugo and a Revuelto.
Oh,
Again, they're always mobbing around.
You're fucking late, big time.
Yep.
Close enough.
I wonder where that Revuelto's gonna park. Who's getting kicked out, you think? My bet's on the
I was just saying-
the cheapest car. And
Yeah,
you're like,
the
oh
cheapest
shit,
car.
this one, get it out.
I bet you it's the Mercedes. It's literally gonna be the Benz, unfortunately.
If you're not there, we get this fucking thing out of here.
Yeah, I couldn't have parked here. Justin, when I pulled up, he's like, dude, there's a spot right in front of you. I'm like, I can't park here, dude.
Different tax bracket.
I'm gonna go poverty section down the street. So this has become like one of the biggest, coolest meets in the area. We have the A12 GTS. Whew. Beautiful R8. Mr. Alec is joining us for the weekend.
Yes, sir.
Just came over.
Stopping by, say hi.
People.
That's interesting.
Oh, look at this thing, dude. I gotta go check out this SVJ. It's my favorite car ever. It's gotta be the same color as Eric's car, like factory, right? This is like the viola.
It seems like
I think it's gotta be.
it. Dude, where the Hellcats at?
I like the color on that and that. They're both like a green. It's pretty sweet. Next to each other, that looks awesome. Well, we got an old Countach fired up. Yeah, the cars are out today. Holy cow. This is a cool wheel on the 911 also. Super unique. I've never seen a wheel like that on a car like this. Center lock also. Wow. A little break in traffic. Had to get a shot of the GT3 RS right here. Woo. Beautiful. So cool to see up close, like
It's
all the vents and like aero.
It's like if you asked a kid to draw a race car.
Right.
This is what they would draw.
With the gigantic wing. Even like all the like the active DRS mode on the wing. It's crazy. Got a Rolls Royce over here. This is where the Revuelto and Hugo ended up parking. There's a little overflow lot, kind of make your own parking spaces. I don't know if this person's gonna like the fact that they did that, but I guess that's a problem for somebody that's not me. I love Hugo's car, man. Where's Hugo? Where'd Hugo go? Leon's car is here. We gotta find him. I don't know where he went, but
Yeah. That's a good ass looking car though.
beauty. It's playing music. That's insane.
Embarrassed wasting a part. 6'4" Impala. The music matching the art. You're good.
That's a good noise right there. It's like the cars are heading out. Eric just started his car. I don't know if he got out or what. But I don't know what's going on. Looks like they're heading out. Where Mike's deciding to park. Oh, looks like Stan's here too. The Faraday Mantis F80. Saw Stan yesterday. Now Mr. Mike can park here.
That's one way to do it.
And Mr. Stan. He knows his car. He knows his car. You can see him through the window there. Hugo's a bad man, bro. In that 720.
I see Jeff.
Little confrontations. I didn't like him being on the road. I can't take him seriously in that little wagon.
That little car.
He is pretty upset, man.
Go burnout!
So, thoughts on a beer?
Yeah, I think we're gonna.
Come here, Aventador. That's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, turbo whistle's nuts. Justin, I want to hear it. dude. That's insane.
Smells like E85.
Might be worth.
The thing looks so good, dude.